Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, power button for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them, and then underneath the rugged cargo floor you have a full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders, as well as a USB and USB-C, and the backs of the seats have MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, my view, driver assistance features and settings, your now playing, phone controls, and further vehicle service information, stuff like that. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls and then your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, as well as having your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. Below that, you have this tray area and then your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this area with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. Then your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside and another USB and USB-C. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.